Exploded views are now available right from the view palette. Just drag and drop to place them on your drawing. And existing views can even be exploded from the property manager now, or from the right mouse button menu. No more wasting time digging around in dialog boxes. Bill of materials can also now be created without pre-selecting any views. And balloons have some great new enhancements as well, right, Hatch?
That's right, Sketchy. Now you can order balloons sequentially. They start out at the top and renumber around the view. Notice that even the bill of materials is updated as well to reflect the balloon resequencing. Any balloon can be selected as the first item in the sequence, and the direction of the numbering can be reversed if required. A new option is available, which is to insert magnet lines.
Magnet line? What's a magnet line?
A magnet line allows you to easily organize all your balloons on the drawing. Any balloons that touch the magnetic line become stuck, and balloons can be repositioned from one line to another. It even has an equal spacing option as well. And you know what? New magnet lines can be created wherever you want on the drawing, making balloon layout a breeze.
Yeah, I hope that attracted your attention, Schneider. Let's take a look at that second sheet of yours, eh? It'll get you. All right. On sheet 2, you've got this section BB at the bottom. We don't need it for this drawing. Let's delete it and replace it with a detailed view.
Yeah, now you're going to have to rename all your view labels on that drawing.
Now, that's not a problem at all with SOLIDWORKS 2012. Unused view labels are automatically reused, saving you a lot of bookkeeping.
Take a look at that top view on that drawing too. It's missing all the center marks. Those holes and slots must have gotten added after that view was created, and they didn't benefit from automatic center mark insertion when we created it. Well, now center marks can be added to the entire view anytime you want, and you have a wide variety of options just like on automatic insertion.
Do we get to the point with that one with you?
Yeah.
Alright, and while we're at it, don't you know how much better your technical documentation would be if you were using SOLIDWORKS 2012 and 3D Via Composer? Heck, let's take a look at these new slick rendering methods. With per pixel lighting and ambient occlusion, you can add far more realism to your models. There's also now a customizable compass that gives you the ability to change its appearance. It can match your model or any geometry that you choose. This gives you an ultra-intuitive reference point for navigating your model, and it's especially useful for viewing any subsets of your design.
Yeah, compass, you're just trying to steer me right.
Hey, we even added bullet bomb highlights for you as well. Makes you a much more richer interactive environment for you to experience and much better than your competition. Helps you stand out when you're creating assembly instructions, product manuals, even online part catalogs. This really saves you a lot of time in finding what you need.
Yeah, you know, you guys are going on and on about Composer, but a lot of those things you can't do in SOLIDWORKS.
Oh, smart guy. You mean like tabbing to hide components? Well, SOLIDWORKS has taken a lot of cues from 3D Via Composer. And like the magnet lines, we've just introduced this as well. Just hit the tab key and components get out of the way.
You can run, but you can't tab to hide from us. All right. Schneider, we all know that manufacturing parts within budget is just as important as getting the drawings out. So would you care to explain why we found you using this?
Oh man, can't we just take away his CAD rights immediately?
Constrain yourself, Sketchy, it's okay. We'll take care of it. Why aren't you using the costing tool in 2012? Didn't you go to a rollout?
I was busy updating my spreadsheet for the latest stock sizes. Do I need a CAD advisor for this?
Look, in SOLIDWORKS 2012, with the click of a button, you can get the cost to manufacture your design using the new costing tool. Anytime you make a change, you can see the updated cost immediately. Isn't that much better than a spreadsheet?
The costing tool automatically categorizes part features as well in specific manufacturing operations, such as cuts, bends, and punches. It provides a detailed cost breakdown. And look how easy it is to try a different material or thickness. Costing even warns you if the thickness doesn't match your geometry.
And by adjusting part production volume, you can even gain insight into the contribution of the machine setup cost. Isn't that great? Setting a baseline cost allows you to quickly evaluate the impact of design changes, whether it's a completely different design approach or just excluding specific features from a part, such as louvers or ribs. You can quickly see that effect on the part cost.
You can also readily compare vendors as well. For example, what if I want to look at the price difference between cutting my part with water jet or maybe going to my laser cutting vendor?
That's right, Hatch, Sketchy. Cost comparisons are automatically captured in a report. We've got sketchy names, which is great for management reviews. The detailed line make it incredibly easy to understand the impact of design changes on our production cost.
That's great, but to make this even easier, there's even a built-in template editor that makes it a breeze to set up operation pricing for your in-house work, or for your suppliers if you choose. Templates also ensure that designers can take advantage of all the costing information, and it provides consistency across the entire organization.
SOLIDWORKS costing really allows you to make more confident design decisions based on cost earlier in the process. And manufacturers can get quotes back to customers faster and with greater accuracy and repeatability.
So do you still think your spreadsheet is the right way to be doing this, you punk?
I can't believe it, all the months I put into Excel. It's been wasted. My boss is going to kill me.
You're going to be spending a lot of time locked in a room full of bars.